อีกนิดเดียว
Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you will see the beauty of Hong Islands, which one of the famous visited beaches in Krabi province. It has a reputation for its secluded and peaceful white powdery beach. Hong in Thai means room. Hong Islands is part of the Tanbok Korani National Park. There are two ways to get to Hong Islands. The cheapest way is to book a joint program from any tour operator either in Krabi Town, Aonang Beach or in Klong Muang Beach area. The most convenient but a bit expensive way and to get away from the crowd is to book a private longtail boat. Try to be early as 8 a.m. in the morning to experience the beauty, peaceful like a paradise. The longtail boat price ranges from 2,500 baht to 4,500 baht. Take note, a private tour usually does not include lunch and tour guide. From Klong Muang Beach, we reach the Hong Islands in just 30 minutes. Once you reach the islands, you will need to pay the mandatory national park fees. For foreigner is 300 baht for adult and 150 baht for kid. For local is 60 baht for adult and 30 baht for kids, while 60 years old and above is exempted to pay the national park fee. You can able to access and enjoy other islands like the Lagoon, Lao Lading and Pak Bia Islands, where you can see later in this video. There is one restaurant that you can able to order one dish foods or a la carte in a very reasonable price. Comfort rooms are also available in the islands. Hong Island offers a white sandy beach, crystal clear water ideal for snorkeling and swimming. If you're lucky, you can able to see a monitor lizard here, different species of birds like eagle. This is one of my favorite part of this trip. If you visit this place, do not skip the 360 degrees viewpoint. Hiking a 300 steps or more to see the stunning and breathtaking view is more than worth it. There is one shop near the hiking area that sells cold drinks, so do not forget to buy water before going up. เราจะขึ้น Viewpoint กันแล้วนะครับ Time check นะครับ 9:13 เริ่มหอบแล้วครับ My legs start shaking, so I took some rest on this level before getting to the final steps to get to the peak. Okay. Almost.
What's that?
Almost.
Yeah, nearly there.
So close.
So close. Thank you. close, so close. After 40 minutes, I reached the initial level, and here is the view. Okay, it's another viewpoint. So funny. A few more steps to reach the 360 degrees view, and finally, here we go. After enjoying the amazing and breathtaking view, I need to get down to catch the boat to visit another island. I have to say that this is one of my unforgettable experience ever. I finally get back and managed to get down within 20 minutes and move to other islands called the Lagoon. วันนี้กำลังจะกลับนะครับไปลากูนนะครับจากฮองไอแลนด์นะครับก็ประมาณไม่เกิน10 นาทีนะครับร้อนมากเลยอากาศแดดร้อนมากๆเลยนะครับวันนี้ It is about 10 minutes ride to reach the lagoon. Here, you can see a cliffs both sides were small pathways that can able to enter inside the lagoon except during low tide. The lagoon is the best spot for swimming and snorkeling as there are a lot of fishes. Unfortunately, we can't swim because of the jellyfish. The best time is during month of September, October, or November. December until February might be the busiest time.
อยู่นะครับแล้วก็สุดท้ายก็ไปเกาะปักเบี้ยนะครับไปทานข้าวที่นู่นนะครับแล้วก็กลับ
We are now heading to Laolading Islands. From the lagoon, it is only about 10 minutes ride. This island is part of the Aonang Islands that offers a beautiful landscape of limestone cliffs, swaying palm trees in a clear light blue sea.
ที่เกาะปักเบียนะครับเกาะสุดท้ายแล้วก็กลับบ้านจะไปทานข้าวที่นู่นเกาะปักเบียนะ
Krabi Islands was our last stop. This place was a bit crowded because most of the tourists coming from different places meet here and have lunch. Though it was a nice place to relax, swim, snorkeling, and you can even take a good photos. I will recommend this trip while you are in Krabi. If you think this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and share your love by subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell for more videos. Share your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below. See you soon!
ถึงแล้วนะครับก็สำหรับคลิปนี้ขอเป็นเท่านี้นะครับขอลาไปก่อนสวัสดีครับฝากติดตามด้วยนะครับ JB Thailand